What's going on, guys? This is Smitty with a quick tip and a quick motivation and inspiration for you. A lot of times when we're getting started in this, it can be very hard and very tricky with certain vehicles. Certain products don't seem to work. It seems like my machine's not making it happen. I'm watching other people work on the same vehicles that I am, and they're getting it done and I'm not. Vehicles like this Charger behind me used to be serious cases, and they would take me forever because I couldn't get them as deep as I wanted them to be, no matter what products I used, and they just didn't come out the way that I wanted them to without having to put in extreme hours. And now, after all this time has gone by, we know how to do it with a simple one step. But to get to that point of understanding how to make something like this with a fickle, flat black paint with no metallic in it, no way to say hide haze or hide defects, it's either there or it's not. The only way you get there is by continuing to test products, continuing to test the products that you have. And guys, it takes some time, but just know that whatever products that you have, you can potentially get the results that you need or get close enough to the results if you can't say order the product that you know you need. Whatever you have already in your arsenal is enough. I've had products where they're leaving haze and I'm like, this is just not working. But then I realized there are many other variables other than the product. You have the pad, you have the machine, and then on top of that, you have the speed. And many people don't think about the speed. So there are many variables that could be messing up your process. So maybe slowing the machine down or even speeding the machine up. If something has too many abrasives in it, working it on a slow speed can cause a lot of haze in the paint. So maybe you need to turn your machine up. Maybe you need to spray a little water on the panel. You got to get creative. But whatever you have is all you need to get that vehicle done. And if you can't figure it out, simply subscribe to the channel. We would love to help you out as much as possible. Ask away with your questions. We have the Academy link below if you're looking to become a student. If you want to come in for personal training, I'm here to help you go to another level. This is not something that's just for your entertainment online. I'm here to help you build your business and build your brand. So if you're having troubles, simply like and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell notification for all of the updates and the alerts when we put out new videos, because we're going to help you get around those learning curves because they're out there. But with our help, we're going to guide you and get you through it a lot easier, a lot faster. So a lot of people can show you how to shine up a car. They can show you how to make something as glossy as possible, but to consistently do it, that's a tricky part. It could be, a one and done deal with certain products on certain paints. So we're going to show you exactly what we use and something roundabout what we use and many other options if the products that we continuously go to do not work. Sometimes the products I use every day just simply don't work. Every vehicle is like a human, and a doctor's not going to treat every patient the same way. So every product might not work, but we're going to figure out how to make that product that you have work for you for the time being if you're in a rushed environment or a rushed situation. And if you have some time, we're going to show you how to get around those issues and get you the products that you need to finish down work like this. That's it for today, guys. We'll see you next time. The paint is waiting on you. Peace.